Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving equations. Today, we will be solving the equation 8 times x plus 6 equals 22. In order to find the value of x, we will follow a series of steps to isolate the variable. Let's get started with our problem-solving process. To solve for the variable x in the equation 8x plus 6 equals 22, we will begin by isolating the variable x. Our goal is to get x by itself on one side of the equation. Step 1. Subtract 6 from both sides of the equation. The original equation is 8x plus 6 equals 22. Let's subtract 6 from both the left side and the right side of the equation. On the left side, we have 8x plus 6 minus 6, which simplifies to 8x. On the right side, we have 22 minus 6, which equals 16. So now our equation is transformed to 8x equals 16. By performing this subtraction, we have effectively removed the constant term 6 from the left side of the equation, making it easier to isolate the variable x in the next steps. Step 2. Divide both sides of the equation by 8. Now our equation is 8x equals 16. Next, we want to isolate the variable x. Since x is currently multiplied by 8, we can do the opposite of multiplication, which is division, to get x by itself. Let's divide both the left side and the right side of the equation by 8. On the left side, we have 8x divided by 8, which simplifies to x. On the right side, we have 16 divided by 8, which equals 2. Now, our equation is x equals 2. By performing this division, we have isolated x and found that x equals 2. This is our final step in solution. Therefore, the value of x is 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.